Welcome back everyone to another episode of the Culinary Arts of Ashmont. Today we will be making blueberry muffins using the muffin method. Spoon in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Overfill and then level off using a metal spatula or back of a butter knife. Scoop and level 3/4 cup of white sugar. Dip and level 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Dip and level 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Slowly pour vegetable or canola oil until the measurement reads 1/3 cup. Make sure that you are checking it at eye level. Using the same 1 cup measuring cup, add a single egg. Make sure to wash your hands anytime you handle raw egg so that you avoid cross-contamination. Next, pour 1/3 cup of milk or fill until it reaches the 1 cup measurement. Combine your flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder into a bowl. Combine using a whisk or wooden spoon. Make a well in the center of your dry ingredient. Slowly pour your vegetable oil, egg, and milk mixture into the center. Mix together until just combined. Be careful not to overmix or you will end up with dense and tough muffins. It's okay if your mixture still appears lumpy. Gently fold in your blueberries until they're barely incorporated. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Use muffin cup liners or grease a muffin tin with vegetable oil or cooking spray. Fill the muffin cups no more than 2/3 full of batter to prevent overflow while baking. Try to add the mixture as evenly as possible so that you have the same amount in each. Wipe up any spills so that it doesn't burn in the oven. If you have any leftover empty spots, fill halfway full with water so that your muffins bake evenly. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes in your preheated oven or until a toothpick comes out clean. Properly mixed muffins have a rounded top and are lightly browned. To check if the muffins are done, insert a toothpick into the center and check to see if it is free of batter. If it is, then your muffins are done baking. The inside of the muffin should be coarse but still tender, and there should be narrow air tunnels. Thanks for watching!